Namaste everyone, I am Ramyashri. Welcome to my channel Ashwin's Astrology. Today on 23rd of February we have a very interesting match, that is the cricket match of India versus Pakistan, which is held in Dubai as part of ICC Champions Trophy. So from astrological angle I am trying to predict who could be the winner and how the match could go on. So I have tried doing it in the past also, so just continuing my attempt or my trials on it. So I hope you like this exercise. So let's try to get on to this. So as you can see on the screen, it's Mithun Lagna and Vakri Mangal, who is the 6th and 11th Lord in the Lagna. So I have casted the chart at the time the toss will happen. So it's 1 p.m. In Dubai. I have taken the local time of Dubai. In India it will be at 2:30 and 23rd February you can say, and it is Vakri Mangal, the 6th and 11th Lord in the Lagna. It's in the inimical Rashi, and Mangal is not Vakri, it's now stationary. So it has more amount of effects also right now. So an inimical planet coming to the Rashi, and the Rashi Lord is well placed, very close to Saturn in the 9th house. So while making sports predictions, we consider that the Lagna Lord or the Lagna has the toss winning team, and the 7th house or the 7th Lord has the toss losing team. So the decision of taking batting or the bowling first would solely depend on that. So if we take a probability of any of these, so let's first take for the toss winning team, which is Lagna or Lagna Lord, though they are well placed but having a malefic in it. So if toss winning team opts for batting first, then they may succumb to some sudden downfall or some loss of wickets in the initial stages itself, because of 6th Lord coming and sitting in the Lagna, and also is in a stationary position, Vakri stationary position, and Lagna Lord is sitting with Saturn kind of planet and also Sun in the 9th house. So the opponents will see some kind of fortune favoring them. So the toss winning team opting for batting is not advised in this match, and because of Lagna Lord well placed in 9th house, so they will recover a bit slowly, I can say, because it's placed with Saturn also, who is the 9th Lord itself. So they will recover bit slowly, and also to mention, because of Venus Rahu in the 10th house, they'll be able to improve or scale up their performance with the time, but may not expect a great turnover out of this match. And also because of Moon in the 7th house, the opponent will be very calm and very cool also for them if they are opting for batting. So they will execute their plans as mentioned, or as they have planned actually. And that's why Lagna has that's why toss winning team should not opt for batting, they have to take the bowling. Suppose the toss winning team takes up bowling, as I mentioned, and they have to take it up ahead. So it might have whatever the predictions which I gave, that will happen to the opponent team. So they will be able to gain a good control over the opponent team, because the Lagna Lord very closing to Saturn, it actually displays, or it just depicts that you have to be bit slow in your approach, or you have to take it bit slowly. So the progress or the pitch will actually progress little bit slowly, and that's why wait and watch kind of ideology works well here. So this is from the toss, or what does the toss winning team should do. So considering that Ketu is in the 4th house and Rahu Venus in the 10th house, so there could be some hidden or some conspirative kind of tricks employed by the toss winning team, which will actually work for them, and only that will work only when they take up the batting in second term. So they have to wait and watch, have to adopt this ideology, then only their plans will be successful and they'll be able to achieve much great heights. And having the 3rd Lord as well as the Lagna Lord and 4th Lord in the 9th house, it shows that they will systematically display their performance really well. So they have to go as per their plan, and there will be a very clean performance that we can say here. So whoever it is has to go as per their plan and has to be a bit wise enough also, because of Jupiter in the 12th house. So even if they are losing any of the player, or if they are even bringing someone to the role, they have to be a bit tactical enough to understand what they are gaining out of it. So this is from the astrological way of how to predict who will win the match. So the same planets, if we see this Mars is though in stationary and is in Mithun Rashi, at the same time it is in Mesh Rashi in the Navamsha. So that's why it will definitely do well over the time. That is, some time has to pass in the initial start. Then only it will actually give greater results. So I hope you like my prediction. So let's wish the toss winning team opts for bowling or fielding for the first, and then that's the best way they can emerge victorious as well. And let me tell you, for India's Lagna, Vrishab Lagna, this Mithun Lagna is highly favorable and they can emerge as victorious, because for Pakistan's Meshi Lagna, Mithun Lagna is not at all favorable. So let's hope for the best for both the teams. So keep watching Ashwin's Astrology. Thank you.